okay? But in here, that's your last cough, okay? The first one I didn't say nothing, but ma'am, she fanning it too, like, don't.
We gonna watch her ass.
Please, security, watch her, please. She coughed and wiped it. You wiped the cough. With the back of her hand too, just good and ghetto too. Ooh, I know she freaky. She wipe a cough with the back of her hand. How would you like some live entertainment? You say you feel attacked? Whatever, coffee shit. Drinking coffee shit. Drinking water, you better get you some lotion or something to drink. Drink you some shea butter. I had COVID a long time ago. Like, no, you caught it on the way over here. I don't trust that cough at all.